Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you a face pack for glowing skin for all skin types. The ingredients are besan or the gram flour, and then sandal powder, turmeric, rose water, and then you could use either lemon juice or milk based on your skin type. Take 2 tablespoons of besan, a pinch of sandal powder, a pinch of turmeric, and a bit of rose water. Mix this well. As I said, choose either lemon juice or milk based on your skin type. Apply this on your face evenly and let it dry for 10 minutes. And then wash with cold water. Always remember to wash your face with warm water before applying face pack, and then wash with cold water after applying face pack. And don't forget to moisturize. Use this face pack once a week for glowing and smooth skin. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to Tiny Wonder for more updates.